let's turn this one off, and let's turn my IES lights on, okay? So this is looking a bit crazy, because usually you wouldn't have different distribution profiles, but this, I just use it because I wanted you to see what this is, okay? I'm going to open the light lister. Here are my IES, and I'm going to turn this is the main IES. It already has a particular profile. You see that it's more intense here than in the bottom. This is the central light, like before I had the spotlight, okay? Then I have this profile, and I have another profile, and I have another profile. In your folder, you actually have this IES, okay? So when I'm doing like this kind of museum thing, I usually have a specific distribution pattern. These are, by the way, all fake. You can get them from Arnold. So why would I use an IES instead of an area light? Only because I want this interesting distribution. There's no other reason. I would recommend it only to make these details. It's also not meant to do the whole distribution. You don't see it if it's too far from the wall. You're not going to see a pattern in the ground. That makes no sense, that you don't really care. So if it's one of the things that it's like a spot on the wall, then it makes sense, okay? If I'm seeing it falling somewhere, otherwise it really makes no sense, okay? So your IES is here. Arnold, in your Arnold shelf, is this one that looks like actually a tripod for some reason, okay? And all you have to do is just create it, and here you load a file, and you pick it. That's all there is, okay? Nothing more to it. So you can also take each IES and increase the indirect lights, rays, okay, and increase the samples. But as I said, you have to take each light and change that value for each light. An IES, by the way, it's called photometric light, okay? So most of the software have that. IES is the profile.